So first thing first, you have to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and also the NFL RedZone bundle with the Sports Plus. And don't forget to ensure both of the plan is still active, because you cannot watch Willow and Willow 2 without having YouTube TV base plan and also the NFL RedZone in the first place. So on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the star icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then you want to search for NFL RedZone with the Sports Plus. So just click on it. And as you can see, if you want to buy the NFL RedZone package, then you must have the YouTube TV base plan first. So you have to purchase both of the plans at once. But if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, then you are eligible to purchase just the NFL RedZone package. And either way, click on next and complete your purchase with credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then, after you bought the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time, click on the search icon. And then you want to search for Willow. Then right here on the Willow network, you want to click on it to open them. And then you may scroll down, and you can see the Willow channel on the first row, and then the Willow second at the second row. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch Willow and Willow 2 on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.